Do you want to root your mobile but can't find an effective way of rooting your mobile? Then this video is for you. Keep watching this video till end because this is a complete guide for rooting any Android device. If you find some issue in rooting your mobile, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Before starting this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to receive the notification of the latest videos, like and share this video with your friends. Things that you would need for rooting your mobile phone. Mobile phone that is to be rooted: a USB with an OTG or memory card, and a laptop or PC with an internet connection. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to the settings in your mobile phone. Scroll down to about section and tap build number 7 times until you see a pop-up of you are now a developer. Go back, open system, and now go to developer options. Here you need to enable OEM unlocking. If it is already enabled, then that's good, but if not, you need to enable it manually. Go down here, click on advanced reboot and USB debugging. Enable USB debugging. Now go to your laptop, open Chrome browser. Now you need to go to bloggertextforall.blogspot.com. Scroll down. Here you will see download files for unlocking bootloader, flash, TWRP and root. Open that. Now you need to download SDK tools.
Audio Jungle.
Now Magisk. You don't need to download Magisk Manager. The latest version of Magisk up till now is 20.4 beta. So you need to download Magisk 20.4 beta. Now TWRP for your respective mobile phone. Here you need to search for the model of your mobile phone to find the respective TWRP. Here OnePlus 6T for my case. You can find your mobile phone. Scroll down and click any of these options: primary America or primary Europe, and select image file, which is latest. Do not select zip file and select image file and download it. Once all these files are downloaded, you need to copy the first SDK tools and extract them in C folder. Here you copy it, go to your C folder and paste SDK tools here. Rename it to SDK tool simple. Extract them out of the zip folder. Now open it and type CMD in the address bar. Or you can manually open command prompt from search option. Now type ADB devices. Here you will see a list of devices that are attached. If you can't see any list, it means your drivers are not installed correctly. If you are seeing unauthorized, that means two same, so allow USB debugging. Now again type ADB devices. Here you will see the list of devices and device written against them. Now type ADB reboot bootloader. This will redirect your mobile phone to bootloader menu. After redirecting to bootloader menu, you need to type fastboot devices, which will show your device in the list. And now type fastboot OEM unlock, which will unlock your mobile phone. For this step, for some of mobiles such as Realme, you need to go to the depth test, and for some of HTC devices, you need to take a bootloader code from their website which is dev.htc.com. You should remember that your data will be formatted, so you need to make a backup of your mobile before OEM unlocking or bootloader unlocking. It is wiping my mobile data. In the meanwhile, you need to copy Magisk into your USB or memory card. And rename that to TWRP and Magisk. Simply detach your USB now. Here, set up your mobile phone. Again, go to settings and enable developer option and USB debugging again, as we did earlier in the start of the video. Now type adb reboot bootloader into command prompt and you will not see your mobile in the list. So after allowing USB, you will type again reboot bootloader and it will redirect your mobile to bootloader menu. Now you need to copy TWRP into the SDK tools folder.
Audio Jungle.
Name it to TWRP simply.
Audio Jungle.
Now type fastboot boot twrp .img, and once it is done, hurriedly attach your USB with your mobile phone if you are using OnePlus, because it is one time TWRP. So if you restart your mobile, then it would be removed from your mobile, but for other devices you can restart it. Now select storage. After selecting installation, and select Magisk from USB or memory card where you copied. It will install Magisk in your mobile phone.
Audio Jungle.
Wipe cache and restart your mobile phone.
Audio Jungle.
Here you see that your mobile has restarted. Here you will see Magisk Manager installed. Open it, which means that your mobile has been rooted. If you get uninstall Magisk option inside it. Now to test if our mobile is rooted, we need to install root checker. So install root checker basic. Open it. Allow and agree. Verify root and grant forever. Here you will see that congratulations window has appeared and root access has been properly installed, which means that your mobile has been rooted. Thanks for watching. If this video was really helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to receive notification of latest videos. Like